In this rock I'm going to put an ox on, again using the colours white, off-white, red and gold, and draw out the image with a pencil. This is a charcoal pencil. Don't worry too much about accuracy because you can go over the lines, and the best just to get the proportions right at this point. I'm just filling in now. This is an off-white. White, 3 parts white and 1 part gold or silver, just to give it that off-white look. And then we can put in highlighting on the second layer. You will need a couple of goes of filling in, and this is because the rock can be quite pitted and you need to cover that black completely. I'm working with a medium sized brush. Then as we do detailing, we'll just drop down into a smaller brush. And to stop the colour bleeding, you will need to give a little bit of time between the coats. But you can actually do the outlining, undo the gold straight away after doing the white, because as long as they're not touching, they won't bleed into each other. Gold will need several coats, as much as the white does. You can actually see the pitting on this image. And there, it's the first layer. So after applying 2 coats, I've started to work on the face. If you look, I just put the dots in and I've applied shading. So I've put the second coat on a little bit darker around the face, and there under the body you can see the detailing. I pause and do this in your own time. I'm just really going over the little inward bits that I might have missed a minute ago. Just pin prick down on the little red and the pink and those bits to create the face. And I put that black line under the belly. And I'm just toning up the face. So you can see when I put the white in, I put that as a T space across the ears and down the nose. And when I put the white in, I've gone through the feet. Here's another drop of the pure white along the back. I might use a wet brush at this point just to blend in some of these colours. white makes the base coat look more off-white. This is a highlight. To give a bit of shadowing around the neck. So that's a darker colour there. Often you get black lines where the pencil was, so you just need to cover them up as well at this point, just to make sure they're not still visible. I did have a bit of pink in, but I've just taken that out slightly. Sometimes I put the colours in just to see where the features are positioned. And what I have at the end is just some final picture for you to copy, so you can pause here if you wish.